Our Mrs Mactivity weekly planning is fully editable. It has national curriculum objectives, vocabulary, links to our lesson presentations, activity cards and worksheets, ideas for assessment and a space for your own notes. Our lesson presentations are fully animated and engaging. They take children step by step through the skills needed for each learning objective. There are opportunities for children to practice the skills, and there are also challenges. At the end of each lesson presentation, there are some questions for assessment. There are activity cards with practical tasks that link to both the lesson plans and the presentations. We also have differentiated worksheets which directly link to the modelling shown in our lesson presentations. Finally, we have our revision maps, a great way of recapping and assessing what the children have learnt that week.